Okay, this is about the step-by-step how to make a Scandinavian luxury house in SketchUp. First of all, we have to make the rotate rectangle for basic plane. We can click from this origin and drag to the another side around 20 meter. Okay, and drag to the behind around 40 meter. Okay, sorry, I will continue. I will repeat it. We can click from this origin and then we can type 20 meter. Okay, and then we can drag to the behind around 40 meter. Okay, this is 20 and 40 meter. Then we can click dimension to show about the dimension for every single side in here. Okay, and we will continue to make the another element. We can use the rotate rectangle. We can click from this position and we can drag around 7 meter, enter, and drag to the behind around 12 meter. Okay, and then we can make the another meshing in here. We can use the rotate rectangle again. We can click until the middle in here like this, and sorry, we can continue. We can repeat. We can drag to the another side around 4 meter. Okay, and then we can click again about the rotate rectangle. Click from this endpoint and we can type 10 meter. Then we can drag to the another side around 4 meter. Okay, and then we can click rotate rectangle again. Click from this point and drag around 2.5 meter until this wide, and we can adjust about the connection in here. Okay, and after that we can click this basic meshing and push it up around 5 meter, enter, and this one around 3.5 meter, and also this one around 3.5 meter. Okay, we can move it up again like this, and then we can click the line and click from this middle until the middle on the behind. Then we can click this line and select move and move it up. Okay, around 3 meter approximately. Then we can click the line and click from this middle, place to this position. Then we can click the line and select a move and move it up. Okay, and then we can click this line, okay, and offset it inside around 300 millimeter. And also this one, we can click this line, okay, and offset it inside around 300 millimeter. Okay, then we can click this plane and push it to the front around 200 millimeter, and push it to the front around 200 or 400 millimeter. Okay, we can move it again around 200 millimeter, so it will be 400 millimeter. Okay, now we can make the variation of the exterior, especially on the front of this Scandinavian luxury house. And we can click from this line and click move, tap control, click this line, and we can place the 4 meter in here approximately. Okay, then we can continue the line with using the line tool and click from this point until this point. Okay, and also this one, we can click this line and select move, tap control, click this line again and move around 1 meter or 900 millimeter only. Then we can continue the line until this position. Okay, this one. Okay, and after that we can click this line. Okay, we can click this line and also this line and select move again and click tap control on our keyboard and click this line and move it up around 2.4 meter. And again we can select a move. We can tap control for duplicate and we can type to 1.2 meter. And again 1.2 meter. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, and then we can make the line in here for a divider of the glazing, and also this one we can make this divider of the glazing again. And okay, we can check it's what 1.3, so we can make it the sliding door, or we can make it the main door in here, and we can make it the main door in here. Okay, and we can click this line and also this line and select move, tap control, click this line and place to the middle in here. So it approximately the arrangement of the divider of the glazing is like this, and this is about the solid surface, solid area. This is solid area also. Now we can make the another glazing pattern. We can click this line, select move, tap control, click this line. We can type on our keyboard around 3 meter, enter. Then we can click the surface and push it to the front a little bit, around 400 millimeter. Okay, then we can click this line. We can select move, we can select move, tap control, click this line, place to this position. Then we can type 3/n, enter. So this is the glazing of the middle meshing building in here, and we can click this line and select move, tap control and move it up, okay, around 2.4 meter and enter. Okay, and after that we can make the another elements. We can use the circle in here. We can make the circle, and we can make the circle in here. So this is about the swimming pool, and we can offset it outside around 300 millimeter, and it 300 millimeter. Okay, and after that we can make the freehand to make the landscaping in here, and also the another position of the landscape approximately in this area. And then we can assign about the materials. We can select the appropriate materials for the landscape first. Okay, we can select the appropriate materials in here. We can select the water. This is water materials, and we can also adjust for the texture or of the water around 3 meter. Okay, and we can select the glazing. We can select the glazing. We can select the clear glass in here. We can adjust about the clear glass over there. So this is the high ceiling and large glass window in here, and also the middle of this building. And then we can adjust for the solid area of this front or exterior building. We can use the another elements like we can import for the another object. Okay, I've prepared about the materials. I chose this one because I've already prepared about the materials. Okay, I will cancel because it duplicate from the glazing. We have to duplicate from the solid materials. Okay, we can select this one and okay, and we can assign to the appropriate surface, and we can also adjust about the texture in here. We can type 1000 or 2000, so we can choose based on our needs anyway. Then we can add more materials. Okay, I've already add the pine light wood fine in here. Okay, we can assign to the another appropriate materials over there like this. Okay, in this area. Okay, we can assign to the appropriate area of materials, and then we can assign about the roofing again in here, just like this. Okay, so this is example, so you can improve for your own version about the material placement, about the facade design, and much more about it. And we can select the concrete. to assign on this perimeter of the swimming pool for every single swimming pool in here. And we can also add more landscaping in here for greenery. Okay, and we can select landscaping and select the another appropriate materials like this or like this, and it's still possible to ask for a sign with the wooden materials over there in here. Okay, and I will add more materials from my library, my private library. Okay, this is a vertical siding wood, and okay, this is vertical siding wood or medium. It's depend on us about the taste of our design anyway. So I think it was great, and I've already prepared about the palm tree. Okay, I think we can copy and we can paste to the appropriate place over there. This is for example. Okay, we can place on this position and another position in here, and to this position. Okay, we can create the beautiful landscape placement of the tree area. Okay, and after that we can add more element of the people to see about the proportion of height of this building, and we can see about the result. And okay, we can assign about these materials. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment this channel, and just wait for my next great video. Thank you.